Hello World, BSWTV here at NAB 2019 Day 3. We've made it to Day 3, barely.
Barely.
So we're live on Facebook, YouTube. You can find us on the Twitter thingy and all that other social media stuff.
Super important for those millennials out there.
Oh yeah. It's like second nature to them.
I know. We're all just trying to keep up.
This is Shannon.
Hi.
And
nice
Dario.
To be here.
Hello.
Now, before we get into technical stuff that I have no idea,
Yeah, me neither.
you guys are this is a married couple who work at the same company.
Yes.
Is it your company?
Yes. We are proud owners.
Okay, so just excuse me. I just want to get to
Mike.
the real stuff here.
Yeah.
What's it like, doing a day-to-day company, being a married couple? Do you go to work, talk about work, come home and leave it, or is it a 24/7 thing?
I think that's a really interesting question, and I don't think there's a lot of couples that could handle what we do, but I think because we are so well fitted as good friends, right?
Yeah.
And our passions align in very similar ways, I think that's what makes it work. And we follow the kind of traditional thought that I'm the CEO of the household, so with the kids and life, I take a leadership position and in the company, where he's just so smart and good at what he does that it kind of humbles me. And so I definitely follow his leadership in the company, yeah.
Okay, how many kids?
We have 3 boys.
Oh my,
They are
Jeez,
14, 11, and
Oh.
2.
fantastic.
Yeah, they keep us busy.
Yeah, along with your company.
Yeah,
Oh,
for
yeah.
sure.
NICOM.
Absolutely.
Yes.
All right, now, like I said, I'm not like an antenna expert or anything.
course.
So for neophytes like me, can you explain what your company does and what you sell?
Absolutely. Yeah, we manufacture FM antennas and television antennas just for on-air transmission. We have a various type of antennas. Our most popular one is the BKG77, which is a broadband antenna, which means that it works in the whole FM band. We recently optimized it so you can use it from 88 megahertz to 108 megahertz with the same performance through the whole band. It's used mainly for low to medium power stations. You can buy one antenna and be on the air with less than $800, or you can stack 16 bays for higher power stations. Sorry, we wanted to bring one here, just a little bit too large, but we have
okay.
we
We
have
don't
a
want to hurt
small
anybody.
You're
picture right
thankful
here
for
on
it.
our coffee cup.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Just
Nice.
to see
Nice
what it
logo.
looks,
Nice stuff.
Thank you very much.
and
We're proud.
Yeah, we have one in our booth that's mounted. If you guys want to come look at it. Yeah.
Absolutely. And so that newly redesigned BKG77, I think what we're most proud of is that you're getting almost 0 VSWR across the band, and that's a pretty big deal in the antenna market to be able to have that consistency.
I will take your word for it.
Yeah.
That's a big deal.
Absolutely. And one more thing that allows you to do is, because it's broadband, so you allow a station to save tower space, you can use 2-3 frequencies at the same time with one antenna, and the whole frequency will be listened the same way across the
Absolutely.
towers.
Actually, we went out to dinner last night with some engineers, and they were talking about this very thing. So
Oh, nice.
I kind of understand what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah, because as we move forward, you're noticing on the towers that we just need to make more and more room.
Right.
It's real estate.
Yeah,
so,
absolutely. It's valuable real
Yeah,
estate.
absolutely.
Okay, so now back to the personal stuff.
Yeah.
How in the hell did you get into the antenna business?
So
is this a
it's-
family?
Yeah,
It is a family
it's
business.
a lovely story. Do you want to share it, or do you want me
absolutely.
to?
No, you can go ahead.
Oh, okay. So Dario immigrated here from Italy with his father in the early 90s, and his father was one of the leading engineers when FM took off in Italy in the 70s, and so he used his experience and background to open up a company. And then they worked really hard to be able to manufacture over time everything in-house. And I think the reason why they did that was that they loved America and they loved the American dream, and they really wanted to serve their clients without them having to rely on parts that were, far away, or time zones that were a lot different than their own. And so over the years, I think that we have learned how to save money and streamline the manufacturing process. Because like Dario said, our highest transmitter goes to 10 kilowatts. So we really kind of specialize with companies and grassroots level projects where budgets are a concern and they really want something reliable that they're not going to have to dump money into repairing, and where they have a community that they can reach out to. And so that's kind of what we take pride in, is being that company that has reinvented ourselves and grown to be a part of a new family, right, Dario?
Yep.
So we very much identify with his hometown in Italy. We love the food there. We miss it all the time. But we're super proud to be American made and what that means for us, right, and for our children, and moving forward for the name.
It's fantastic. Everyone I talked to about your company said it's quality gear and it's very affordable at the same time.
Thank you very much.
Good.
That's
hard
our
to do.
mission.
That's our goal, yeah.
Yeah, that's really our mission, and we just absolutely adore Justin. He works with you, and
I know, isn't he cool?
He's just been so precious.
Hey,
and
Justin, get your butt
yeah,
over here.
come over and say
I don't think
hi.
he's been on camera yet.
You haven't been on camera?
No, not at all this show.
So Justin is how we got to know BSW, and they took a chance on us, and we're just so grateful for our partnership, for our relationship, and we go to Justin with questions, with feedback, with ways that we can grow, because I think in our society now there's such quick feedback that you're getting that you need to constantly be learning and moving forward with technology, even as we are a medium-sized company, that we need to, hang out with the big boys and be competitive, but also know our clients' needs and be affordable. So it's been a blessing to be a part of this relationship.
Well, do what NICOM does and call Justin at bswusa.com.
Yes, do it. He's phenomenal. I love
That's
him.
the closest thing we got to an infomercial just now.
Yes, it can be yours for free.
But it's the real deal, so I don't care.
It's true.
So nice to meet the two of you, Shannon.
You guys
Thanks for
Well,
Dario.
opportunity. Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Congratulations on running a great company and
Thank you.
and a family and a marriage.
Yeah.
I know, yeah.
Day
guys
by
should-
day, man. Day
You should
by
write a
day.
book.
I know, yeah, we will.
How to do it.
BSWTV here at
Yes.
NAB 2019. We'll be back in about a half an hour.
Okay.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
You got that